Hello students, this is our next lesson of class 4th English, Nasruddin's Aim. In this video, we will do lesson reading and its explanation we will do in the next video. Read it at your home with proper pronunciation. Okay students, now let us read. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Whoo! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha 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 ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. But it certainly didn't hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim." Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who's next on the list?" Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. And again. And this time, Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." Read this lesson and write new words in your notebook. Okay students, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.